My name is Blya Krouba. I'm going to be a senior at Pitt this upcoming fall. I am an art major, chem minor, French minor on a pre-med track. My research is about colorism. Colorism is discrimination between the same race, where light-skinned individuals are more favored than dark-skinned individuals. It's something that just happens all over the world, but I'm focusing it in the United States and how it was affected and started by slavery and its effect nowadays. I was born and raised in Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast. It's a West African country until I was about 8 years old. But when I came here in America, it just became very prevalent that I was Black. I mean, it was something that I always knew, but it's just I would run into instances where people would find the need to remind me. In high school, I went into it by taking photographs of my friends who were Black and named it the complications of being dark-skinned to showcase that Black is beautiful. To emphasize that being Black is beautiful, I used Black paint and I would paint my models just to showcase that you can be as dark as Black paint and still be beautiful. You can still be worthy. You can still be like you're still human. This summer I've been doing a lot of research on skin tones, and now I'm thinking more of showcasing all these skin tones and highlighting the difference between the skin tones.
Working with Blya has been really great. Blya's project is unbelievably timely right now with all of the protests that are going on and the ways that we're thinking about race and injustice and equity. Her project asks difficult questions in the middle of that, which is, I think, really important.
This research that I'm working on is funded by the Office of Undergrad Research through a program called SURA. They award you with financial aid to pretty much help you bring your project and research to life.
There's some real tangible benefits for her in participating in this project. You know, the funding paid for a new camera, which is super exciting.
The thing I like about SURA too is that it's not just humanities, it's also humanities and science. It's not just science, it's science and humanities, and you get feedback from people who are not necessarily in your field. I hear from students who are researching a lot, they hear from me, and we can all come together about our projects.
This is a really great opportunity for her to kind of try and think about like, oh, how, this is my idea. How do I actually make that a reality? And that's something that actually I do have a lot of experience in, and that can really help her with this.
It's easy to get stuck when you're researching into your own mindset, ideas, and things. And so talking it out with Aaron, he always finds a way to pretty much lead me to my end results and push me that way, to give you steps and assignments and just like check marks to help you move along.
I think it's really important for undergrads to have mentor-led research opportunities because it gives them an opportunity to really get their voices heard.
Colorism is something that happens around the world, so everyone else that's looking at it, other people of color, to just be like, yes, like I can relate to this, and yes, it is a problem, and it's something that needs to be addressed. Just having that conversation, and everyone I think needs to be involved in this conversation.